Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to block mobile data for specific app on Android. So you have to just choose the app which you have to data disable, that data makes not provide. So you have to just find any random app. So you have to when find like this Google Photos, you have to hold it and you have to go to app information, and there is data usage status. So you have to turn it off the background data and turn it on both disable Wi-Fi and disable mobile data. Now it is the specific data on the applications will provide internet connection. So you can apply any application like this. Open the application app information and data usage and turn it off. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.